Hello guys, in this video I will present to you a new section of niche please that it was born because I make a poll here and I ask you if I should make weekly videos with 5 trending niches found for free. Niches that I found with different tools but at for free. I've shown you before many special ways that you can find niches with Pinterest, Google Trends, gems, etc. And 61% of you told me that they would like the videos. So this first video is being released now on Thursday because in order to the trends to be fresh, I thought that I present the video just as I finish it, okay? This new section is gonna be called Secret Niches because there are weird niches that I find that are not the typical niches that you find with tools, okay? Because I search for them with these weird ways, okay? Let's go with the first one.
Secret niche number 1.
For the first niche that I found that has 88 results, very low competition, is this one. Is no, I don't have a car problem, I have a storage problem, okay? This is a design, if you want to check it out. It's very funny for the car enthusiast and BSR is very good, you see. Very good BSR, a lot of sellers, and very low competition. It's a new niche, I think. So you can prepare your gems in Gemini and start making designs for this. Okay, this is the first niche. Let's go with the second one.
Secret niche number 2.
For the second niche is one that I found that is a phrase that I have seen before. It is like a slang phrase that says, I got that dog in me. But now it's beginning to trend with a lot of dogs, different dogs. You can see now the golden here, the Chihuahua, which is very funny. For example, you have the Chihuahua here again. And the new fresh approach that I found for you is this one. That is a photograph of the dog smoking and with a beer. Try not to put a beer with a trademark here like Miller Lite. Try to put one, for example, like this. Let's see if I find one. For example, like this. This is a corgi dog and they put just a beer can but with just a logo that says beer, okay? This is a very cool trend, very easy to design because you can put the prompt here of the dog. And then if you want to do another, let's say 20 more different races of dog, you just ask your favorite AI, ChatGPT or Gemini. Okay, I uploaded like 30 designs today to this trend and I will let you know if I sell some, okay? This is your second trend, secret niches.
Secret niche number 3.
Okay, for our third trend, this is more like a evergreen. It has 1,240 of competition, but it's a very great design because it has, look at the BSR, very low BSR. The idea is you have a graphic that says, bro, it is my 10th birthday, sign my shirt, and you leave this blank white square in the behind where the friends of the kid can sign the shirt, okay? You can scale this design for I don't know, 8th birthday, 9th birthday, 11th birthday, whatever. You can even mix it with 6, 7 if you want. I uploaded many designs of this, but I tried different approaches with my Gemini gems with fresh graphic, because if you see, they are similar, just like a white square and the text. See, you have many opportunities to make a different design. and it has a lot of sellers and low BSRs. Okay, hope you like this period thread more than an evergreen. Remember that birthdays, they sell a lot because parents always buy t-shirts for the kids, okay? Especially for birthday.
Secret niche number 4.
For our fourth trend, this one it has more competition, if you see, but it's a trend that it says big fan of human rights. This is started to pick up again. Look at the BSRs; they are very good, and you can, with this phrase you can make, for example, with flowers, I don't know, raccoons, unicorns, and it is trending, I think, because of this problem in the United States with the ICE police and the immigrants and all of that. So I think it will pick up a lot more, and it's not trademark and it's not controversial. It's just a goodbye design and phrase. Okay, I also uploaded a lot here. I will let you know if I save. Okay, hope you like this fourth trend.
Secret niche number 5.
And for the fifth and last trend is a very weird one, and it has very low competition, less than 300 results, and it's the classic game rock, paper, scissors, but with an extra hat that says flashbang. You see here we have it. The BSRs are low. It is not an exploding trend, but I think it can make some sales. You see rock, paper, scissors, flashbang, an explosion. Here again, and the fingers are like cut. Okay, rock, paper, flashbang, flashbang, rock, paper, scissors, flashbang. You can make very different approaches with different colors, I think, with different art styles, not just the white over black. Okay, for example, this one, I don't like this design a lot, but it's different. It different shade of the other ones. Okay, it's this one also because it's a white background. Okay, well guys, hope you like this new section of the channel. I will share with you 5 weird and new niches or evergreens even that I think that can make you sales in your accounts, and I will share them in this new section called Secret Niches, and you will have it every Friday in your YouTube. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.